The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information, call 417-335-3109. Build your dream home on this very affordable double lot in Ozarks Paradise Village. Conveniently located right off the entrance of Big Cedar Lodge. Owners get to enjoy the fantastic amenities of Oakmont Community Recreational Facility, including a clubhouse, indoor pool, tennis court, boat dock ramp, and much more. Oakmont Community Recreational Facilities are just a few minutes away. The double lot is within 5 minutes of the Branson Airport, top of the rock, and within 10 minutes of the famous 76 Music Boulevard.